Good afternoon everyone. This is our project MBPS water view at Maloncho, Narendrapur, Rajpur. Just 12 minutes drive from Goria metro station, and you can see this is the very beautiful 3 BHK apartment with a square size living cum dining area. The size of this apartment is 1041 square feet super built up area. Just see the beauty of this flat with a attached balcony, and from the balcony you can see the beautiful green view of outside, and with the internal roads of the complex. And now come this side. So again, this is the living cum dining area with my first bedroom. This is the first bedroom with having a size of 8 feet by 10 feet. It's beautiful bedroom. You can decorate this as a kid's bedroom. Now come this side. This is the second bedroom with an excellent view outside, and this bedroom is having a size of 12 feet long into 10 feet with having a very big size French window. And just see the view from this bedroom. And this is a playground. It's totally open, and just see the road. Here is one road and there is another road. So both the sides this project is having metal road. So it's a beautiful bedroom with excellent air and light. And now adjacent to that, this is the kitchen space with L pattern countertop. Beautiful square size kitchen with separate space for refrigerator. And now come this side. This is the lobby space, and just my left side, this is the common toilet area. So beautiful common toilet area with separate space for bath. And now come this side. This is the master bedroom with having windows on both the sides. See the beautiful master bedroom with excellent utilization of space and with having a great view of outside. So just see the view from the master bedroom, and from this window also you can see the green view. So beautiful master bedroom with this attached toilet space. So see the attached toilet, ample light and air circulation. You can see that. So it's a 3 BHK apartment with having a size of 1041 square feet super built up area with 3 bedroom, 2 toilets, kitchen and one balcony space, and one very big size living cum dining area. So thanks a lot for watching. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having single unit left of this size. Currently we have already given possession, so no GST, and we are offering great discounts for festive season. So hurry up, don't waste the time. So thanks for watching. If you are interested, then please call. Stay tuned for further updates.